We are going to replace the battery of a Honda Odyssey 2014. First is we need to remove this air duct by pulling out the tab. All right, pull one tab, and then next one there are two. Pull this up. Once up, then you can easily remove it. Cut. Next is remove the air duct. This one right here. Shake it off. Right there. Easy. And here's the battery. So next step, we're gonna remove the bracket. And this is, I'm using, what's this? 10 millimeter. My assistant. Thank you, assistant. Alright, you just have to loosen it up. Okay, now the bracket is loose. Take it off. It's done. And next we're gonna loosen up the batteries. Okay. Cut. Alright, we're gonna loosen up the negative. Once loose. Oh shit.
I'm gonna cut it.
And it's loose. Alright. Okay, next one. Next is we're gonna remove the jacket. The jacket. Here. And remove the old battery. Alright. I'm gonna put the battery first. It's backwards. Then we're gonna put the jacket. Next, we're gonna put the terminals, the positive and the negative. So we put the jacket, and then now we are tightening the terminals. Good. And then the black. Next is we are going to put back the brackets. Now we are tightening the brackets. So make sure that the bracket hook are properly placed to ensure that the battery is secured and stable. Alright, next is we're gonna put back the air ducts. Properly placed. Put back the brackets. So there's two keys here. First is place this one first, and then the tab. Done. Testing time. Go ahead. Start it. Success. Project complete. Thank you all for watching. Please post any questions and please subscribe. Thank you.